Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. Today we're working on a 2002 Crown Victoria. Today we're going to be replacing the mirror switch. This one here, it will go to the left, but it will not go to the right. All other functions work, just for whatever reason, right does not work anymore. So, thanks to Amazon, got a brand new one, and we're going to install that. The only thing we should need is a small flat blade screwdriver. So let's get started. You want to start by pulling up on it. Unfortunately, I couldn't hold the camera and pull up. I needed two hands. You really got to pull up on it to get it to release. And then in the front, you should just pull straight up. I'm always afraid of breaking these things. So this is what you're fighting against. Got this clip here, and it really locked in. It's probably never been taken apart on this one. It's got 4 miles, only had 60,000 miles on it when I bought it. And then this one here goes straight down inside there. So you kind of got to unclip it from the outer edge first, pull up on the back, and then really kind of pull up hard on the front too. And here's the plug we want to disconnect. Looks like all we need is a small flat blade to get that off. It's kind of got this clip on both sides. This one seems to be much higher. Oh, it's easy. Like that. And then switch is a couple clips you got to depress to pull it straight out. And comes out. Got a little kind of connect in there, but it's got this push clip here and this one here. So we'll stick the new one in. Probably test the new one first before putting it all the way in. And now goes all the directions. So, all set. And you just clip this back down in there, and then reverse the process. back in. Just like brand new. And there you have a mirror switch replacement. Thank you for checking out my video. Hope you found this helpful. And please give it a like and subscribe if you did find it helpful and you enjoy what you see. I hope you have a good day.
Always there to watch for my fine. Made a bad choice, well it was too late. Now my decision will carry under my fate, and it may not be great, but my way to control my state, so I will never be able to go and wipe the slate. What had started as neglect quickly grew into a